Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past Question 31. How many edges have a cuboid? A 6, B 8, C 12 and D 16. So you're asked for how many edges has a cuboid, and like we know, a cuboid is a what? Is a solid shape. Is a solid shape because it has what? It has depth, it has length and it has breadth. So we refer to it as a solid shape, not a plane shape. Now, for us to find the edges of the cuboid, we must understand what this cuboid actually is by representing it diagrammatically. So I'm going to draw this cuboid diagrammatically. I'm going to express it for us so we understand what a cuboid is. Now this is a cuboid. I'll just give a rough sketch of a cuboid. Now this is a rough sketch of a cuboid. Now this is a cuboid. It is not a cube. Remember, a cube has all its lengths equal. But if in case of this one, you saw that the length and the breadth are not equal. So this is a cuboid. Now, for us to find the number of edges, we count what? We count all this. This here is an edge. This is an edge. So therefore, we count the number of these edges of the cuboid to find the number of edges possessed by a cuboid. Now let's start with the counting. Here we have this will give us 1. Then here we have here we have 2. Here we have 3. Here we have 4. Then here we have 5. Then this will give us 6. This will give us 7. This will give us 8. This will give us 9. This will give us 10. This will give us 11. And this will give us 12. Now, so therefore, a cuboid has how many edges? A cuboid has 12 edges. A cuboid has 12 edges. Now these points here are called the vertex, but that is not what we are concerned with. We are concerned with with the edges, which are these points, these lines that forms that forms the cuboid. So therefore a cuboid has 12 edges. Now from the options, option A says 6, which is wrong, B says 8, which is wrong, C says 12, which is correct, and D says 16, which is wrong. So the correct answer to this question is C, 12. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos.